This is why you need journal prompts to spark your creativity. Whether you're an artist, writer, or just someone looking to add a little more creativity to your daily life, journal prompts can be a powerful tool. Let's talk about a secret weapon that every creative needs in their toolkit: journal prompts. These prompts are designed to push your boundaries and help you explore new ideas. When you're feeling stuck, these prompts can be a game changer. They can help you break through creative blocks and find new inspiration. Imagine starting your day with a thought-provoking question. It can set the tone for a day filled with creativity and exploration. Imagine kicking off your day with a question like, "What's one thing I can do today that scares me?" This question can push you out of your comfort zone and encourage you to take risks. Or, "If I could invent a new holiday, what would it be?" This prompt can spark your imagination and lead to fun and creative ideas. These questions can light a fire under your creativity and get those ideas flowing. They can help you see the world in a new way and inspire you to create something amazing. Here's why it works. Journal prompts push you to think outside the box, reflect on new perspectives, and break free from the usual routine. They challenge you to look at things differently and come up with unique solutions. It's like giving your brain a refreshing workout. Just like physical exercise strengthens your body, mental exercises like journal prompts can strengthen your mind. So, grab a journal, pick a prompt, and start writing. You might be surprised at what you come up with. The act of writing can help you organize your thoughts and bring clarity to your ideas. You never know where the journey might take you. Your journal can become a treasure trove of ideas and inspiration that you can draw from whenever you need it. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes to stay inspired. Just like any other skill, creativity can be developed and strengthened with regular practice. Ready to ignite your creativity? Start with simple prompts and gradually challenge yourself with more complex ones. The key is to keep writing and exploring new ideas. Give these journal prompts a try and watch your imagination soar. You'll find that the more you use them, the more creative and inspired you'll become. So what are you waiting for? Grab your journal and start your creative journey today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on unlocking your creativity. And for more guided journaling and journal prompts to help inspire you and foster your creativity, check out our app. It's packed with features to keep your creative juices flowing. Thanks for watching, and on behalf of Journal Party, party on!